Do you feel like keeping your heart rate in zone 2 forces you to practically walk? You are not alone. Today, I'm going to show you why your aerobic base is completely locked and how you can start running faster while maintaining the exact same effort. Because let's be honest, there is nothing more frustrating than going out for a run, seeing your watch beep like crazy because you went over by a single heartbeat, and having to slam on the brakes to start walking while an old lady walking her dog passes you right by. You feel like you're wasting your time, your legs aren't moving, and this supposed fat-burning magic zone is just an invention to torture you. But the problem isn't you, and it isn't your genetics. The problem is that your aerobic engine has the parking brake on. Today, you are going to discover 5 scientific hacks to smash your slow paces and unlock, once and for all, a supersonic zone 2. Let's dive in. Let's go straight into the physiology with our first major culprit, cardiovascular drift. Has this ever happened to you? You go out for a run. The first 20 or 30 minutes you are cruising happily in your target zone. But suddenly, while keeping the exact same pace, your heart rate starts climbing all on its own into zone 3. This happens due to pure fluid dynamics inside your body. When you run, you sweat to regulate your temperature. As you lose water, your blood volume drops, making your blood thicker. To pump that denser blood and deliver the same amount of oxygen to your muscles, your heart has no choice but to beat faster. The fix here is simple but deadly effective: strategic hydration. If you are running in the heat or going past 45 minutes, you need to drink water with electrolytes from minute 1. Don't wait until you're thirsty. By keeping your blood volume stable, you freeze cardiovascular drift and force your heart rate to stay down. The second mistake is a psychological and biomechanical thriller. Sometimes the problem isn't your heart or your lungs. The problem is that your running form at slow paces is completely inefficient. To keep their heart rate down, many runners start shuffling their feet, reducing their cadence to absurdly low numbers, or bouncing up and down excessively instead of moving forward. That is a biomechanical carnage. You are spending twice as much muscular energy to move at the same speed, and that muscular overexertion skyrockets your heart rate. The hack to unlock this is to maintain a high cadence, around 170 to 180 steps per minute, even when going slow. Take shorter steps, keep your feet close to the ground, and focus on running tall and relaxed. Less mechanical friction equals fewer beats per minute. The third hack is the secret weapon that elite athletes never forget, but everyday runners skip entirely: strides or short acceleration runs. Running slow all the time numbs your neuromuscular system. Your fast-twitch muscle fibers literally forget how to fire efficiently. To fix this, at the tail end of 2 of your easy runs each week, you're going to throw in 4 to 6 strides of about 80 to 100 meters. These are not agonizing all-out sprints. It's a progressive acceleration where you build up to your maximum controlled speed for about 15 seconds, focusing on perfect form, and then walk back for a full recovery. This teaches your brain how to recruit muscle fibers efficiently at high speeds without accumulating lactic acid and without affecting your aerobic base adaptations at all. It is the reset button for your legs. Let's talk pure asphalt math with hack number 4. If you want to teach your body to use fat as its primary fuel source efficiently so you can run fast at low heart rates, stimulus frequency is king. Many runners make the mistake of doing a single 2-hour-long run on Sunday and then not running for the rest of the week. That doesn't work. For your body, 3 40-minute zone 2 sessions a week are infinitely better than one single 120-minute session. Consistency drives constant mitochondrial adaptations. By giving your body frequent stimuli, you force your muscle cells to build more mitochondria, the energy factories of your body. More mitochondria means you can burn more fat per second, allowing you to run faster before your heart has to trigger any alarms. And our 5th and final hack is the ultimate shortcut for anyone whose joints are at their limit or whose baseline heart rate is highly reactive: cross-training. The biggest downside of running is the pounding against the ground. Every impact creates an eccentric muscle contraction that spikes tension and, consequently, your heart rate. If you want an easy way to stack quality time in zone 2, hop on a stationary bike or an elliptical. By removing that joint impact, it becomes much easier to keep your heart rate under control while you continue building capillaries and improving your cardiovascular system. Throw in one easy 60-minute cycling session a week, and you'll see that aerobic capacity transfer directly into your running paces. To get you out of the theory and into action by tomorrow, Let's map out the perfect weekly schedule for an everyday runner looking to unlock their aerobic speed without the frustration. Monday, total rest. Let your body absorb the previous miles. Tuesday, consistency run. 40 minutes of strict zone 2. Focus 100% on a high cadence, those 170 to 180 steps per minute. And forget about your pace per mile or kilometer. Once done, throw in 4 strides of 15 seconds to wake up your nervous system. Wednesday, cross-training. 45 to 60 minutes of easy cycling or elliptical. Zero impact, pure oxygen flow for your mitochondria. Thursday, second consistency run. Another 40 minutes in zone 2. This is where you nail your hydration with electrolytes from minute 1 to freeze cardiovascular drift. Finish with another 4 strides. Friday, rest or strength training in the gym. Saturday or Sunday, the long run. 60 to 75 minutes in zone 2. Since you've given your body small, consistent stimuli throughout the week, you'll find it much easier to keep your heart rate at bay during this longer effort. Stick to this structure for 6 consecutive weeks, and I guarantee your zone 2 pace will take a massive leap forward. The cards are on the table. Moving past being a slow runner in zone 2 requires science, patience, and applying these 5 hacks intelligently. Your aerobic engine is about to wake up. Now it's your turn, and I want to start a massive debate in the comments below. What is your current zone 2 pace? And which of these 5 hacks are you going to apply tomorrow morning to unlock it? If you are obsessed with science-based running and want to smash your personal records without getting injured, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the track.